Hello guys, my name is Harshit and welcome to my channel Being the One. So in today's video we will see to write our first Java program, that is Hello World. So this is our first Java program, and in this we will see several unknown words or instructions which obviously might not be familiar with you. But don't worry, we will carry each and every concept in detail in further videos. Okay. So why I'm just writing my first program without knowing anything, So because it's a traditional way, if someone is going to learn some new programming language, so it's a traditional practice to write a simple Hello World program to have a quick understanding, to grasp a quick understanding of the concepts. So there will be some words like keywords, variables, operators, strings, expressions. There will be so many things like this which will be unfamiliar to you, and I will carry all those stuffs in great detail with examples, so don't worry, your all concepts will be cleared. Right now we will write the program. So you will start in Java. Every program must be written inside a class. So what is a class? A class is used to define a Java program. Let's start. Class. This is a keyword. Now keyword is a special word, reserved word by the language, and it carries some special meaning. Here class is a keyword used to define the class. So you have written class space your class name. So this program will carry out the functionality to print hello world. So I will keep the related name. Here class name I will keep as hello. Okay. Now everything will be written inside a class. So to start and end the class you need class blocks. So here the class blocks will be opening and closing parenthesis. So this is the class block, and inside this is the class body. So as you know, you need to print something. So what was the message? Hello world. So hello world is a functionality, means to print hello world is a functionality or a operation, you can say. You need to do something. So inside a class, if you need to perform some operation, so you need to do it in a method. So we will define a method. So you will write public static void main string yes, opening and closing. Okay. So this is the method declaration. You also need to write those statements or functionalities inside method block. So just we are opening and closing the method block. This is the method block and this is the method body. Okay. So now you might be wondering, oh, what is all these things written? So let me clear you, give you a little idea. What is public? Public is an access modifier. Now what is an access modifier? Access modifier defines the scope of your particular code where you are writing this, that how this particular code will be accessed by some other part of the code or by some other program. Okay. So this is public. The access modifier which I am using here is public. That means this particular set of code can be accessed anywhere. Okay. So the scope is public. So let me write the state as I told you, that inside the method you have to write the functionality. Functionality will be written in the form of statements. So the statement will be system.out.println In the braces, open and close. In the quotations, you will write the string literal, whichever you want to print. Here I want to print hello world, so I have written hello world. Semicolon means one statement is completed. Okay. Now what is a statement? A statement is a complete command, you can say, made up of one or more expressions. Okay. So if you execute this program, hello world will be printed. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.